Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Jumiso recently launched new face cream, which name is Jumiso Snail Mucin 88 Plus Peptide Facial Cream. Peptides are small proteins that penetrate the skin to moisturize it and help smoothen fine lines and wrinkles and reduce signs of aging, so this cream has definitely promising one. This cream infused with 88% snail secretion filtrate to repair damaged skin while nourishing the skin with moisture. A multi-solution for troubled skin. It is a multitasking cream. It is light, soft, and watery texture, easily absorbed into skin. Let's talk about its benefits. It repairs damaged skin barrier, refines skin texture, decrease oil production, decrease and inflammation. Also, boost collagen and skin elasticity, boost hydration and moisture. The best part of this cream is that it is non-sticky, non-comedogenic, has soothing effect, suitable for all skin types. This cream available in 30 ml and 100 ml packing. Let's talk about its main ingredients. It contains 88% snail secretion filtrate, which repairs damaged skin and refines skin texture while nourishing the skin with moisture. 5 peptide. Mix loaded with amino acids to boost collagen and skin elasticity for lesser fine lines. Adenosine, allantoin, panthenol. Boosts hydration, strengthens skin barrier, and improves skin texture for smoother skin. How to use. After cleansing and applying toner, apply the cream evenly in the face in the morning and evening skincare routine. Final thought. This cream has a soft, lightweight gel-like texture, very similar texture to the essence. It's silky smooth when rubbing in and absorbs quickly, leaving my skin looking glowy and radiant. Decrease oil production, decrease in inflammation. Also, boost collagen and skin elasticity, boost hydration and moisture. Highly recommended for troubled skin. Thanks for watching.